Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. This is your girl Latanya Irving. Today I am reviewing another fabulous Traci Lynn jewelry piece that I wanted to show you guys. I'm wearing it right now. I just filmed a video for an interview, and I used this piece in that video because I thought it was a very appropriate piece. It's for someone that may not like a whole lot of attention, but something quaint and dainty, and the perfect piece was lock it, that's what it's called, I'm sorry, the locket piece. This is a 7-inch bracelet, and it just has the little key and the bracelet, and you can see I'm wearing the necklace, and it is just the cutest necklace, and I have the locket earrings on to match. So it's not a really overpowering look, but it's a really nice piece for, you know, someone that doesn't like too much, or, you know, again, with Traci Lynn jewelry, you can dress it up or dress it down. I chose to do it in this interview look, and I think it went great. I absolutely love this piece. This is one of my favorite pieces, and if you are interested in the piece, then make sure you click the link above the video and go on my website and do some shopping, and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.